Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add product comparison in WooCommerce with WooCommerce Elementor Free Addon. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so very fast let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. This is an example e-commerce website. If I hover on it, then you can see this is the compare button and I want to compare between these two fonts. If you want, then you can compare with more item. Okay, so just click over here, compare, and you can see right side added, product added, brush compare. Then again just click over here, then the brush compare, and this is the comparison table, and you can see this is the table, and easily it helps me or it will help any client to understand who is better or perfect for him, and he can choose it from here. So now I can close this, then again go to the shop page, return to shop page, and if you want, then you can compare a product from the product page. Okay, so I will show it. So click here and go to the product page. You can see this is the compare button, so you can compare from here as well. Okay, so let's get started. Now I can close this example website and go to the admin dashboard. So very fast I have to install a WooCommerce Elementor Free Addon. That's why hover on plugins and click on add plugin. Type here shop builder. Shop builder Elementor WooCommerce builder add-on. So in this tutorial I am going to use this add-on. Actually you will do it with another plugin, but always I suggest or recommend this add-on. That's why you will get lots of feature in this single add-on. Like if you want to edit shop page, product page, category page or checkout page with Elementor, then you can use this add-on. And already I have published lots of tutorials on it, so you can visit my YouTube channel and check WooCommerce tutorial playlist. Okay, just click over here, install now, activate. This is the add-on shop builder which is installed and activated. Now we can go to settings page from here, and you can see in left side added shop builder. If you hover on it, then template builder and settings. Just click over here, settings. This is the add-on setting area, and you have to navigate to the module tab. This is the module tab, and you can see it has lots of module, which most of them are pro and some of them are free. So in this tutorial I want to use product compare feature and it's free. Okay, so just click over here. This is the toggle button, and you can enable disable from here. Okay, so I want to use it, so I have to enable it. Okay, this is the product compare module. So again go to the shop page. This is the shop page. You can see it's very simple shop page and it does not look better. So I want to make a shop page with Elementor, then I will use the compare feature. So again go to the admin dashboard and shop builder, then you can see this is the template builder. Just click over here, template builder, then WooCommerce page builder, add a new page. Click over here. I want to make shop page, so I have to give a name here, like I want to give default shop page. Default shop, and select template type. I want to make shop page, so click and select shop, then Elementor is okay. Set as active template. Yes, I want to activate it. So you can see it has lots of template, which most of them are pro and some of them are free. So I want to use it template 4, it has left side sidebar. Okay, just click over here, import done, and edit with Elementor, just right side bottom, click over here. Now you can customize this shop page from here. Okay, so before customizing it, go to the default shop page and just refresh it. Then you will see the shop page style has been changed. So I want to open with another tab. Okay, you can see this is our new shop page and this is the default or old shop page. So I want to use it, and already I have built with Elementor Free Addon. Okay, so now I can close this tab, which is the default or simple shop page. Okay, so if you hover over on it, then you can see this is the compare button. Okay, so this is the compare button. So successfully I have added this compare feature. So if you want to remove it, then again go to the shop builder settings. So this is the shop builder, go to the admin dashboard. Okay, then the settings, module and compare. If you want, then you can disable from here, save changes and refresh this page. Okay, you can see compare button has been removed from here. Then again go to the settings area and enable it, then save changes, refresh this shop page. Okay, you can see again it works. If you visit this product page, then you will see here is compare button is not showing. So again go to the settings, click over here, then just scroll down, general, and enable compare comparison. Then the button you can see show in shop page, then product page. I want to show it product page as well. Okay, you can see the compare button is not showing here. That's why I have to make the product page with Elementor. So again go to the admin dashboard and click here template builder, then add new page, and like type here product page. Okay, then select from here product page. Okay, and template and set as active template, yes, and I want to use like this is the free template, import. Now edit with Elementor. Okay, this is the product page. Now go to the product single page and refresh this page, and you can see the compare button is showing here. So we have learned how to add compare button in shop page and product single page, and in this tutorial already I have shown how to make the shop page and product page with Elementor. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.